Molly, go up there and get in the water. Go get back in the water. This is Molly's first time in this sprinkler. You're getting wet. Are you in the rain? You're in the rain. You feel good? Molly, go up there and sit down on it. You are getting so soaked. Molly, come here. Let me look at you. Come here, wet thing. Come here. Come here. Get out of those rocks. Go get in the water. You are going to be so wet. You don't want to get back in the water? Molly, you going to get back in the water? Is it cold? Rain, rain. Come here. Let Daddy look at you. Come here. Come here. You want Daddy to get in with you? Careful. Careful. Big step. Careful. Come here. Come here. Molly, look at your shirt. Your shirt is so wet. Yeah. You're close to it now. All right. I'll get you.